Hi, I'm Anastasia Eden from kindearth.net, and today in my kitchen I have made some gluten-free vegan beetroot flatbreads. They have a beetroot and chickpea flour base. They're incredibly easy to make. They hold together perfectly. They're full of goodness. And one of the good things about them is you can serve them immediately after baking, warm or hot. Or you can let them cool down and pop them in the fridge and then eat them over the next few days cold. Or you can even freeze them and reheat them at a later date. So let's go see how easy they are to make. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you like what you see, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give it a thumbs up and leave a comment if you want to. Come visit me on kindearth.net. And if you like what you're seeing, please do come and grab one of my online courses. That helps me enormously to keep putting stuff out. And it is jam-packed full of stuff that you just won't see anywhere else. Thank you for being here. Bye for now.